Turbo Speed Thomas.
You've seen this one before?
Yeah, it was on my YouTube video. Wow, look at this, we can jump. That's so cool.
Wow, that is cool. What is it? The Turbo Jungle set. Look at this Thomas, though.
And he's on the track, and when he goes on this track, and see when he goes on this track, he jumps.
He jumps?
Yeah.
Like the Sky High Bridge jump?
Yes.
That is so cool.
Wow. It said Turbo Speed Engine. 2 times faster. That is from...
What?
What's that say? Can you read that? Say.
Big World, Big Adventure.
That's right. Big World, Big Adventures, the
And
movie.
look, and Nia's at the jungle.
It's Nia.
Yeah.
And she's at the jungle.
She
Yeah.
is.
Hey, Hampton, do you have a Nia? Do we have a Nia?
No, you don't.
Well, we do now.
Yeah, we do have a Nia.
It's Nia.
And look, he's carrying what is this?
What is that? I don't know. I think it's supposed to be like hay. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's hay for the elephant.
Oh, it's food for the elephant.
And look, is that in me? She's carrying an elephant.
Oh, that is cool.
Let's open this guy up and sees her, and the Thomas can jump over here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I bet Nia can do it.
Can you pull it
Nia.
out? All right. Whoop.
Whoa.
And it can,
Oh, wait, the elephant comes out?
yeah, in the cargo too.
Oh,
Oh, you know what?
fun.
Mama's going to have so much fun with that elephant because it goes right into her zoo.
No.
Yes. It goes into my zoo.
Wait, batteries.
Oh, wait, batteries.
Batteries.
Battery.
All right, here. Look, Daddy came prepared. And he's got the screwdriver.
And look, he has some really
Like you've done this before.
Almost.
It's Nia.
Oh, neat.
And look, the cargo.
And so it's the elephant.
Yeah, and look, it can stuck in there. And look, it has these little dots right here. They get stuck right to these dots right here.
Oh, that's where. Very cool.
Hampton, do you want to do a music video?
Yeah.
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 All right.
That was Nia.
Let us know if you want us to do a music video of Wake Up with Thomas.
Yes.
Oh, man.
So we'll see if anybody wants to make a comment to see Wake Up the musical.
That might get us a bunch of dislikes.
I think I'm opening it.
She's moving for
Poor man picking it
No,
up.
no, it's
Call this out. Here, let's
Okay.
get you out of the way because they're about to do some craziness over here.
Look at this.
Whoa. I'm loving
Oh.
this Thomas.
Let's see.
Look at those
And look, it
colors.
has some blue turn track.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
And look at this.
Yeah. that
This
looks like
is even prettier than the water track.
And look at this track. I see it. Look at this.
Oh, that whole box. Oh, can we pull it out? I don't think we can get it out.
This
that way.
one looks designed
Pull
for
this out.
speed.
It's Thomas.
What?
And look at
Look,
this.
look at that, Mama.
What is that thing?
You got some more trees.
Trees! Yes! I love trees
Trees.
and foliage.
Giant neon green jungle pieces.
Whoa.
Wow! It's awesome.
Okay, how did you do that, Bub?
It's because when the train goes inside of it, it makes loud noises.
It makes loud noises.
Okay, let's see here. We ready?
Yeah, Nia, go.
I'm afraid. Whoa! That is awesome! Whoa! Let me see. He is so cool.
What?
Mama, look at these crazy cool jungle stickers.
What? Stickers!
Sticker.
Oh, what's this? What?
Who's that? What?
It's monkey.
Monkeys. Oh, Hampton.
What?
Hampton. What is it?
Cool.
What is it?
What is
It's a pesky. What is that?
Pesky
All right, Bub, let's see this thing go.
And look, it says.
Okay. Are y'all ready?
I was going to say
It's Turbo Nia.
how to play it. Ow!
Thank you, Nia. Okay, good. Back it up.
And now it's try Nia.
All right. Come on, Nia. Be careful, babe. Oh, what's happening?
What's this? She can jump on the way and jump off.
What can she do?
Let's see how far she will go.
Oh,
Ready?
Whoa!
She goes like this. Like that.
Whoa! That thing is crazy. We brought some friends.
Oh, no.
Now we're gonna. No, we have to wash it. No.
He's
Yeah.
Dragon Bao.
Yeah.
Let's see how far he can fly. Whoa! I think he went farther than any of them. Shh, don't tell Daddy. Don't tell Daddy.
No.
Nothing.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
We're trying to do Hiro is doing.
It's a rite of passage.
Go.
Look at this track, Hampton. It's kind of broken. Or is it supposed to be like that?
Yeah, it's the
Yeah.
hill.
Is this the rickety jungle track?
Yeah.
All right, let's build. You ready?
Yeah.
Peace.
Well, and look, it has a charge up to the
Hey, these trees look like the they connect like the fire pieces on the fiery rescue set, don't they?
Yeah, there's some trees.
Wait, are they going to fall down?
Yeah, I think so.
What?
So somebody's going to be
Knocking
traveling
over trees in the jungle?
through the jungle.
Oh, and Hampton, the whole track is your favorite color.
Yeah, what kind of hill is my favorite color?
This one,
Hampton's favorite color.
and this one, and this one,
is-
and this one. Oh, look at this one.
It's got some green turns.
Those are some cool jungle colors. What is this thing?
And look, it's transformed into yellow, blue.
Like a switch?
Yeah.
Hampton.
Is that what it does?
Yeah, I think it's a switch.
It's an arrow.
Or it's the stopper. I don't know.
A stopper?
Yeah, it's-
It's something.
I don't know. It's pretty though.
Oh, no.
What?
This says, to speed up, slide the switch to turn the booster track pattern green.
To
When the
speed
engine
up.
passes over it, it will enter turbo mode.
And
Turbo
And
mode.
it says, slide the switch to turn the booster track. Oh, there you go.
Muscles.
All right. Yeah, that's right. Muscles! All right, let's go. All right.
Okay. Wow, this is bigger than I
Let's do
thought.
3 more times and see
Oh, man, if there's a
It's
jump,
gonna
it's got to
take
be
up the
pretty
whole
big.
map.
Yeah.
Look, guys, that's for
I
you.
don't know if it'll be that big, but maybe. All right, Hampton.
Whoa!
Jump!
Where are you going? Why are you coming to me, Speedy Thomas?
Now we can go under the...
Hold on.
Now,
Oh, cool.
and look at this.
Wait, honey. Watch out for Daddy.
Uh-oh.
Can
Uh-oh.
you do it? Whoa!
Yeah, you can jump into there.
Wow, that's cool.
That is so neat.
I wonder how this is going to work.
Let's build it.
Well, we are. You silly goober.
I know how to do it.
All right. All right, then big piece.
Big piece.
Oh, hold on, big piece with...
Oh, with some trees.
trees. Big
I
piece.
love the trees.
And another big piece.
Wait, is that it?
No.
No?
Oh, no, that's not
I
it.
think we...
All right, hold on. Well, now we got to go under. We got to go underneath the tunnel. Or underneath the bridge. Got it? All right, use those super gecko muscles.
Oh,
All
look at
right.
it. Muscles. Muscles.
One,
This one's
two,
hard.
three.
There we
All
go.
right.
No,
All right. Oh, and now we got to build this side. Oh. All right, big piece.
Okay. Here we go. Whoa! Watch out, Daddy. That is crazy fast.
Don't hit the sticker guy.
Whoa. Oh, that time he didn't. Did you see them?
I wonder why.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's just yellow.
And what I did?
Whoa.
Again.
And now he's going to chill around the track.
Let's see.
Whoa.
I guess.
That is so cool. Is that just me? It seems like he's not. Oh, there it goes. Wow.
Didn't catch it right. Oh, there we go.
This is the coolest. Whoa!
Uh-oh.
There he goes.
You're so silly.
Super excited. Wow, this one is cool.
I like the palm trees way better than the fire.
And look at
Yeah.
Shoom.
Let's see here. Slightly nerve-wracking. There he goes. Oh, but he's gonna go over the hill.
I like it. Yeah. Oh, the track is broken. Ah, how'd the track get broken? Ah.
So much excitement. Here he goes.
Oh no. Wow, this set is pretty cool.
What happened?
Oh. What in the world? So there's something that reacts to the turbo mode that's not reacting to the turbo mode with streamline common.
Yeah, it's got these little
Oh.
things on the bottom. That's what triggers the speed.
Let's try James.
Whoa.
Let's try your Trackmaster James.
Trackmaster James? All right. Let's see what James can do.
Let's see.
Right, Toby.
Where is Toby? Oh, we do have Toby. Toby.
All right, let's see. Uh-oh.
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 Whoa, what in the world? Whoa, Hiro! And James can chill under. Oh, I love
Here
it.
comes Toby is ready to be launched.
Let's see what they
Let's
do.
go, Toby.
Toby!
Let's go, Toby. Let's go, Toby.
Go, Toby! We need a turbo Toby.
A turbo Toby.
And
Oh,
Hi, Toby.
Man, Toby flies.
Whoa, James!
Oh man, we got Toby,
Is he fast enough?
Yong Bao.
Is he fast enough?
Oh, James took a crash. Oh, Speedy Thomas.
Look at Toby pushing Yong Bao.
Toby's so fast, he says, "Get out of my way!" Whoa!
Oh, yeah! There she goes.
Whoa! She's too fast
Oh,
for the
no.
camera. Oh no! What happened? Where? Oh, there she
She
is.
went sideways. Let's watch him. Can you knock over the trees?
Whoop!
Going through the jungle.
Whoop!
Can he do it?
Here he comes, jumping down the track. Leave it.
So bad. We're gonna keep playing.
No, we're not. We're gonna go see Big World, Big Adventure.
Yes, Hampton, let's go see the movie. Are you ready to go see the movie?
And let's leave this track here and get some comments.
Yes.
Let's turn them off so we can come back home and play some.
All right.
Sounds like a plan.
Let's go see the movie.
All right.